Welcome to Auto. In this video, I will show you how to fix PlayStation network login and connection error if PSN is down.
Fix 1. Check PlayStation Network status. Step 1. Go to the official PlayStation Network status page. Step 2. Check if any services like account login or online multiplayer are down. Step 3. If CN is down, you will need to wait until Sony resolves the issue. Restart your console and router. Step 1. Turn off your PlayStation completely. Step 2. Unplug your router modem for 1-2 minutes. Step 3. Plug the router back in and wait for a stable internet connection. Step 4. Turn on your PlayStation and try logging in again. Fix 3. Check your internet connection. Step 1. Go to Settings Network. Test internet connection on your PlayStation. Step 2. Make sure your connection is stable and fast enough. Step 3. If connection fails, switch to a wired Ethernet connection or move closer to your Wi-Fi router. Fix 4. Update system software. Step 1. Go to Settings, System Software Update. Step 2. Download and install any available updates. Step 3. Restart your PlayStation and try PSN login again. Fix 5. Sign out and sign back in Step 1. Go to Settings, Account Management. Sign out. Step 2. Restart your PlayStation. Step 3. Sign back in with your PSN account. Fix 6. Rebuild database. PS4, PS5. Step 1. Turn off your PlayStation completely. Step 2. Boot into safe mode. Hold the power button for 7 seconds until you hear a second beep. Step 3. Select Rebuild database from the menu. Step 4. Wait for the process to finish and try connecting to PSN.